Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. In this we will be talking about the basic essential features about the Microsoft Excel. So when you open the application, you have a ribbon at the top and then you have a spreadsheet where you work. So let's get started with the tutorial. Now that you're familiar with the layout, let's talk about the building blocks of Excel, that are cells, rows, and columns. So as highlighted, cells are the individual boxes where you enter your data or formulas. Rows run horizontally across the worksheet, while columns run vertically, and together they form a grid that makes up your spreadsheet. So entering data and formula is like part of Excel. So let me show you how it's done. To enter the data, you need to simply click on a cell and start typing. So today we are going to list down the product name and then let's say price, product. So these are cells where we are entering the data. So here I will enter product 1 and product 2. So for your reference, this is row number 5 where we have entered product 2. This is row number 4. And in column C, we will be entering price. Let's say it's for like 100 rupees. It's for 200 rupees. Now we will, you can use formulas like sum, average, or if, and then Excel will automatically solve your problem and give you the results. So here we want to, get the sum of products, sum of price of both the products. So I will type sum and then take the range which we want to add and then close the bracket, enter. Tada. This is the sum of price for both the products. So I mean, it's your work is done. Let's say you want to present it to someone, so you need to do a little bit of formatting. So formatting your data not only makes it visually appealing, but also easier to understand. So let's explore some formatting options. So you can change the font size. If you select the entire thing, you can change the font size from here. You can change the color of font, let's say black to blue. So this is not readable now. Here you can see product name. So you just need to go to the middle of column B and C and do double tap. So now it automatically adjusts the column. So you have this. Now you want to put border around it, let's say. Then you just need to go here and select all borders. You have other options here also. If you want to just put the bottom border, top border, left, right, all sort of options we have. So for basic, we'll add here. And if you want to highlight the first row, so you can fill colors also in rows just to make it look more appealing. So okay, so if this font is orange, so we will select black here. And then that done. I mean, this is the basic editing that we have done, and it looks more appealing right now. So this is how you can simply, Excel help you ease your task. And now, lastly, it's crucial to save and organize your work to avoid any, losing any valuable data. Let me demonstrate how to do that. Simply go to the File tab once you're done with your work. Okay, and select Save As and choose a location where you want to save your Excel basics. Okay, and then you click on Save and it's done. It's presented. It will be available at the location basics. You can see that. So this is how there you have it, and this is how we save our files. You have just completed your Excel basics.